We are here in Benguerir at University Mohammed VI Polytechnic. Our science and agronomy team gather scientists and agronomists from our regional offices and also Al Mutmir team, University Mohammed VI Scientists and Agronomic, to shape the future of agriculture. Here is Anis to tell us more.
This week we are organizing the Global Science and Agronomy Workshop. It's the first time that we organize that, but it's not the last time. The idea is to gather scientists and agronomists from across the world to share experience, to share knowledge, to discuss about opportunities, to discuss about challenges, in order to be able to address all together as one team the sustainable transformation of food system with impacts on the farmers, on the soils, on the communities, and on the food system. First of all, it's amazing to see this diversity in the team. Diversity in terms of origin, diversity in terms of area of expertise, diversity in terms of background. So bringing all this diversity is crucial for us in order to be able to have impactful innovation and also in order to be leveraged on all the resources that we have at global level in different regions and in different countries.
This workshop gathers scientists and agronomists from OCP Nutricrops regional offices and subsidiaries. Let's hear some of them, like Amachit. He is from North America.
This is the first time I have come across, in-face kind of meetings with colleagues from Asia, from Africa, from Europe, from North America, and other countries. So I think it's a tremendous opportunity to seize the opportunity, I would say, to exchange ideas, experiences, technologies, and how we can work together to create transformative solutions.
Head Agronomy Market Analysis of OCP India, Subir is telling how this workshop is so important for them.
Through this workshop, it will be a great help when we can have a vision and the objectives what the agronomy team across the world will look into. They can put on the same synergies into action so that they can act to the common goal of the OCP Nutricrop.
OCP Singapore were represented by Vincent. He is the Senior Manager Agronomy. He will give his testimony regarding this workshop.
Definitely an exciting year for OCP Singapore. This year we are kickstarting a lot of activity around customization, showcasing the benefit of our TSP product, TSP zinc, TSP sulfur as well, with local crops, so namely cassava, sugarcane, rice and maize, which are our key crops in the region. We are working also on digital support as well. So properly two different solutions. One is focused on agronomic advisory. So the goal for us is to codify the knowledge of our agronomist team and to make sure that we can use this tool to just deliver a dedicated recommendation following the 4R principle to the farmers. And the second solution, which is combined with it, essentially focusing in creating a channel to the farmers. So the goal, as we call it right now, is to empower the farmer and the communities. So we are trying to create a channel where the communities can regroup and then provide benefits to each other, to each of the members of the community. So we see that as a key point to activate essentially our go-to-market strategy in the region. So that will go in combination with those trials, and the goal essentially is to make sure that we can accumulate trials, demo trials with farmers, and then the combination of the digital solution to follow through. Yeah.
Brazil is known as a very big country for agriculture, and Salvador, Technical Director for OCP Fertilizers, is sharing his experience.
Our intention during this important, special and pioneer event is to gather my colleagues from other geography, make a species of interchange of our knowledge about our traditional, our regional agriculture all over the world. And we pretend during this period present our experience of a tropical agriculture in Brazil that in the last 50 years transformed a country traditional importer of foods and one of the largest importer for grains, fibers, fruits, and other foods all over the world. Because this initiative with EVE is very, very important to OCP in other regions, and we pretend transfer all information that we develop in more than 50 years to Brazil, to the African continent, for example, that have similarity of soil and climate with our country.
Africa is a strategic and very diverse market. Donald, head of agronomy from OCP Africa, explains more about his expectations.
I think this wouldn't have come at a better time. We long expected that we have this joint workshop so that we can brainstorm together the challenges in farming system, especially in Africa, to see how we can bring value to the farmers. A lot of challenges, especially that the African farming system is rain-fed mostly, and the climate change issues and other degradation in soil affect this farming system and also impact their productivity. In this workshop, I present our experience across Africa for the global team to share in our experience and contribute to what we can do going forward. And I hope that this workshop brings us a platform to share ideas going forward.
From OCP Argentina, Mauro gives us a very deep understanding of the fertilizer need in this country.
Well, the objective of my presentation is to highlight some of the main challenges in terms of crop nutrition in Argentina, which are mainly related to the low application rates. This is in particular important in the case of phosphorus. So the idea also is to address how we can address these challenges through our customized solutions.
We are building a global science and agronomy community in order to work all together as one team with shared tools, with aligned strategies, and with common purpose. And this is the starting point. But we have to continue and we have to maintain the connection and to have similar events this year, the next year, and even with a broader connection with the overall community of the OCP and also with the ecosystem at global level.
This 5 days workshop is also marked by field visits in Benguerir, Jorf-Lasfar, and Khoribga. See you next time for the next story behind at Nutricrops.